Hello there, Meg with Harness here to show you how to create quick lists and templates for easy future messaging. In your Harness admin dashboard, choose Messages on the left and then Lists to create your first list. It's really simple to do. Just click the blue Create Your List button. I'm going to call this Megan Test. You can describe what your list is: board members, volunteer groups, top donors, monthly givers, whatever you'd prefer. When you create that list, it'll appear here where you can choose the blue Options button to add users to this list. And this is where you would search through your list of contacts and identify those folks that match the list requirements and add those folks to the list. Once you've done that, you can easily message those donors by clicking the blue Options button and Send Message. That way you're sending a message to all of the folks that are in that list. You can also use a templated message, or you can create your own custom message here. We're not going to send this message right now, but that's how you create a list. If you want to create a template of a message that you would send, this could be an event invitation or a thank you message that goes out quarterly or an impact update that occurs. You can create a template here. You can use one of the ones that we've already created, or you can create your own by selecting the blue Create a Template button. You would call it something specific. So we'll call it Meg's Monthly Test, because I'm going to pretend that this is a template for monthly messages. And I'm going to say, thank you so much for your monthly support. We couldn't do, I'll back up. We couldn't do what we do without you. And then I'm going to add a fun little image or a GIF. I have a GIF on file that I like to use for things like this. So we can try to use this one. Oh, I'll pick a different one that's smaller. That's a good point. You should choose a smaller GIF. We'll just say happy dance. And then we'll save this message. Oh, we'll select a folder. This is going to go in my follow-up messages, or we'll just put it under stewardship messages and then click save. So now this becomes a specific stewardship message that I can send. So I can either send this message to an individual or to a list of people, either by selecting the template right from the template folder and click Use Template. And then I can just choose a list of recipients that I want it to go to, right? So all contacts, active or inactive, and I could just choose a list here. Or I could also go right to my lists and then choose the list I want, options, send a message, and then just use that templated message specifically, which we just created, called Meg Monthly Test. And that's it. That's as easy as it is for you to create lists and templates and send those messages to your donors.